Alright, this is how I get my sides up by myself. I put a little piece of wood on each end. That's easy for me to handle. Solid, not too flexible. Actually, the less flexible, the better. And then next, just so you'll know, the reason this tape is here, because that's the piece I want to cut out for the door later. It's just not cutting the doors out just yet. So let's put some glue on this baby. Remember, use that glue like it's free. When these things go down the road, it is as if they're in a hurricane. Alright, so, you know what, I did forget. Take the screws out of your profile. Yep. So you can lift it up, unless you want an 1.5 inch profile on the side, which that'd be great in bear country. Let the bear work an extra 20 minutes to get to you. I just have them screwed together when I'm sanding the sides. Come on, sanding, trying to make them perfect. They're still not perfect, but for doing wood crafting, it's pretty dang close to perfect. I'm going to take your profile, and you want to make sure you have your front to the front and your back to the back, side to side. This is going to be the front. I know because I drilled all the holes across here for the front part, and there's no holes drilled across back here because that's where the galley's going to be. Put that right up against there. Not real hard. I can still do it. Do this for a couple more years. Physical stuff like this. Make sure you got it nice and flush right there. And flush it the other end. Let's see. I need my deck. Deck is a little warped, which is not cool. I wasn't prepared for a warped deck. It's okay. We'll get it. Does this floor frame? I just really okay. Try to get this. Not a really high ceiling here, but it may not be high enough. So I'm trying to get this to here. Okay, we'll get it. We'll get it. First time I've had that happen. Alright, so now you just begin putting screws in it. Pulling it down tight. make sure you can guide the screws a little bit, not a whole bunch, because I want it coming out on the inside. There we go. Man, that thing's getting heavy already. Already. Okay, it's nice and tight. I don't have to deal with much warpage this way and that way like I did with the 5x8 chair got from my wife and I. A little bit out, but there it goes. That's too much. That was too much. That was too much. It's a lot like flying an airplane. Don't oversteer, and that's what I just did. I oversteered. Went way too far in the wrong direction. Here we go. And if you've got time when you're there, go ahead and wipe those balls of glue off, or big drips of glue off, so you don't have to spend time, you know, cutting that stuff off. And wasting sandpaper, because it'll gum up the sandpaper. It'll gum it up quickly. Yep, I want to make sure I got it nice and snug. Make this thing square. This here's where it's going to be on the road a lot. I'm going to have a bunch of miles put on it. So, I want to make sure that don't miss anything. Yeah, I try to do make it all. Anytime I'm making something, I try to make it like a little too good for myself. There's times when you think, well, maybe I need to make it a little bit stronger. I'm not sure. There we go. There it went. Ooh, that is tight. Look at it, squeeze that glue out. That one there is. Oh, that one really good. So what I did there is I ran that screw up in there and I ran it too tight and had too much torque and ripped that out. Okay. So basically you do the same thing on the other side. And then you start putting the spars in it. So that'll be the next video for you. Thank y'all for watching.